By choosing to build a pool, you've decided to invest in your health, happiness, and personal enjoyment, while also adding to the aesthetic value of your home. A pool that's powered by Paramount means you're building a pool that cleans itself, so you don't have to. Put your precious free time to better use. Enjoy making family memories, health benefits, and the simple pleasure of relaxation. Simplify your pool life with Paramount's PV3. When it comes to spending your free time, there are more important things to do than tending to your swimming pool. Thanks to PV3, the automatic in-floor pool cleaning and circulation system, your pool can be built to clean itself while you relax. Built right into the pool shell, PV3 is engineered to clean your entire pool, including floors, steps, walls, benches, even spas. When not operating, the cleaning nozzles disappear back into the pool floor, making them virtually invisible. There are no unsightly robotic cleaners and hoses. All that's left is a sparkling clean pool that's ready to enjoy. PV3 is custom designed for your unique pool shape. It is so effective that it will clean more than 99% of your entire pool, guaranteed. Paramount in-floor cleaners are considered the most technologically advanced pool cleaners available and are built to last for the life of your pool. That's why PV3 comes with a lifetime limited warranty on all cleaning nozzles. It's just one more reason why PV3 offers you peace of mind. PV3 uses rotating cleaning nozzles placed strategically in your pool floor, spa, steps, and benches. These infinite position nozzles, when activated by Paramount's hydraulic water valve, systematically pop up in a sequence specifically engineered for your pool and spray a stream of pressurized water, cleaning a larger radius without creating star patterns on your pool floor. The cleaning nozzles sweep debris from every corner of your pool toward the active MDX R3 safety drain for powerful debris removal. From there, debris travels to the optional debris containment canister designed for convenient deckside access. After only a short time, your pool will be cleaned and PV3 will disappear back into the pool floor. Virtually all that's left to do is relax and enjoy a clean, well-circulated pool. Unlike traditional pools, which return water near the pool's surface, PV3 more effectively circulates water to all parts of the pool by returning it throughout the entire pool floor. This mixing action improves circulation and reduces chemical use, giving you a clean and healthy swimming environment. The same action reduces heating costs and provides a more consistent pool temperature. Even without a heater, you can extend the length of your pool's swimming season with the sun-warmed water more evenly circulated to every depth of the pool. Consider adding optional swing jets to enhance your PV3 system. Swing jets utilize the only patented 3-position 90-degree auto-reversing ratcheting wall jet technology. When activated, the jets pop out to deliver a high-pressure stream of water and can be aimed to enhance the overall circulation. Unlike traditional wall returns, which direct the water outward toward the pool surface, swing jets provide the unique flow characteristic of directing the water closely along the pool wall. Since 1964, we at Paramount have stood behind our quality products, built right here in the USA. PV3 comes with a 99% cleaning guarantee and limited lifetime warranty on cleaning nozzles. You can rest assured that you're buying a proven product backed by the world's #1 in-floor cleaning systems company. We're committed to helping you get maximum enjoyment of your pool with minimal effort. Now that's pool life simplified.